How to fix WhatsApp is not ringing on incoming calls. So if you're not receiving call notifications on WhatsApp, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this. Now the first step is you need to go and open up the settings on your phone and then just scroll down and click on battery. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click on power mode. Make sure low power mode is turned off and disabled, and then come back over to the main settings page. Now scroll down to the very bottom and click on apps. Scroll down this list until you see WhatsApp and go and select WhatsApp like so. Make sure background app refresh is turned on and enabled, and then click on notifications. Make sure allow notifications is switched on, make sure sounds are also turned on, and then click on WhatsApp notification settings at the bottom of the page. You can then scroll down this list and make sure all of these options are turned on like you see here. Now you should be able to receive call notifications, but if it's still not working, then use your finger to swipe down in the top right hand side of your screen, click on do not disturb, and make sure this mode here is turned off and disabled. Now once you've done this, you should be able to receive call notifications on WhatsApp.